Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are bringing the series of International Days. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get latest updates. The United Nations observes the International Day of Nonviolence on October 2nd, which is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is a leader of India's freedom movement and a pioneer of the philosophy of nonviolence. The objective of the day is to spread awareness about the idea of nonviolence through education. The day was first observed in 2007. The UN has good reason to use Gandhi's birthday to celebrate International Day of Nonviolence. Gandhi's commitment to India's independence and his methods have been the cornerstone of civil and human rights initiatives all over the world. Put simply, Gandhi saw it as completely irrational to use violence to achieve peace. This is a lesson we can all take to heart. Gandhi was one of the world's greatest and most influential leaders in the last century, and there's plenty we can learn from him. The term, nonviolence, has been used so often in the last century that its meaning has taken on new forms. Globalization has given us a more productive global economy, but it has also led to more complex issues that need solving. To help keep these problems from escalating to violence, then spreading the ideas and success stories of nonviolence will be crucial. That's all for this video. Hope you will enjoy this video. Share this video with others.